What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a three-way Antutu benchmark comparison between the Nubia Red Magic 3, the OnePlus 7 Pro, and the Xiaomi Mi 9. The Nubia Red Magic 3 is a very affordable gaming phone and it has the Snapdragon 855 just like the other two phones. The Red Magic 3 has 8GB of RAM, the OnePlus 7 Pro also has 8GB of RAM, but the Xiaomi Mi 9 only has 6GB of RAM. Both the Red Magic 3, the OnePlus 7 Pro have a very clean version of Android. The Xiaomi Mi 9 has a heavily skinned version of Android. How will these phones do in this Antutu benchmark comparison? Let's find out in this video. So the Red Magic 3 finished first, and overall it scored the highest with over 387,000 points, followed by the OnePlus 7 Pro scoring just over 370,000 points, and then the Mi 9 with just over 360,000 points. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the Mi 9 scored the highest for the CPU, then the OnePlus 7 Pro, and then the Red Magic 3. Moving on to GPU, the Red Magic 3 scored the highest, followed by the OnePlus 7 Pro, then the Mi 9. For the UX, the Red Magic 3 scored the highest, then the Mi 9, then the OnePlus 7 Pro, and finally for the memory, the Red Magic 3 scored the highest, then the OnePlus 7 Pro, and lastly the Mi 9, most likely because of the 6GB of RAM. So that wraps up for this Antutu benchmark comparison, and it is quite safe to say the Nubia Red Magic 3 was the overall winner. It is a great device for the price, but personally I did find a lot of bugs on the software and the OS just seemed unfinished. The OnePlus 7 Pro is probably the best phone out of the bunch, but obviously the price is a lot higher, and then the Mi 9 is probably the best phone overall in terms of price and the performance. Anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as there are more videos coming up with the Redmi K20 Pro, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.